Welcome to Innovative Office Products.
In this time of technology, filled with sedentary and unhealthy lifestyles, rife with back pain, humanity needs a hero. In fact, they need a superhero. The mastermind behind our manufacturing innovators is Jeff, building a team of superheroes.
Hi, my name's Jeff. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Innovative Office Products in Easton, Pennsylvania. Innovative designs and manufactures computer monitor brackets that increase workspace efficiency and help our customers live a healthier lifestyle through their comfortable and functional design.
Mastering the order of manufacturing universe, August has the components for success.
As superheroes here at Innovative, we work as a team to create the final product. Hi, my name is August and I'm the line lead in our arm assembly. I started working in manufacturing because the idea of coming together and building something really intrigued me. What they're currently doing is grabbing different components and making it into one complete arm, making sure everything works perfectly fine before going into packing and then shipping.
The voice of our heroes of the future, Ray has some advice to give.
Hi, my name is Ray Morris, and I've been working here for quite a few years now. There are a lot of skills that we develop over the course of time. Manufacturing is a great job. It's a lot of hands-on. You can get to use your skills. You can do a lot of things that you can actually watch, seeing develop and getting better to the finished product. It's good to see that manufacturing is coming back.
Every superhero team needs a planner, leading the team to success.
Hi, my name is Drum Salt, and I am team leader for the fabrication department at Innovative Office Products. It's a pretty cool process when you take a raw part and you can see a finished product in the end and be like, I made that. When I was in high school, I went to Votech for machine shop. No matter what job I had, I always thought about machining, so I absolutely love it. I come to work every day. I love the guys I work with. It's almost not even a job for me. We have a big team environment here. No one person is more important than the other. It's important that the younger generation become superheroes to carry on what we're doing with new thought and new design.
So what's so cool about manufacturing? It's here to save the day, so the next generation can save tomorrow.